Today I've got to fix this timber frame here down to the concrete. It's close to the edge, so I have to watch what I use. The options out there are either friction fit screw down type bolts or expansion bolts, which are like these. These won't suit this purpose here today because it's close to the edge. If I use one of these, because of when they go into the concrete, the center goes into there and it expands, it'll crack the concrete away. I'm going to take you through using a polyester resin instead of an expansion one. The plus side to this is we're only going to be drilling a hole, fill it up with the resin, and then we will place a bit of threaded rod in there, or all thread, and once it's dry, we can torque it down. This will prevent the concrete from cracking away on the edges and causing damage. First step is to drill a hole. This is M12 threaded rod, which has a 12mm diameter. You always need to select a drill bit which is larger. This is a masonry bit. This is a 16mm. That allows for enough epoxy to go around the threaded rod in the hole so it bonds. The edge of the concrete is here, so we're going to drill more in towards the inside of the building rather than right on the edge. Once we've drilled the hole, we need to clear out any dust that's left. All that has to be removed. This is a similar process which you need to do with a standard expansion type bolt as well, otherwise it fouls up the hole and you can't get the fitting in all the way. Enjoying the video? Please like and subscribe. We're ready to fill the holes up with the epoxy. This is two-part. This nozzle mixes as it comes out. There's actually a part A, part B inside. Give the tube 2 to 3 good pumps until the hole's full. Once that's done, let it dry. Time of drying will vary depending on the product used. Just check the back directions. Once it's dried, we can now come back and torque it down and the job is done.